Hi everyone, welcome again to our series of another VA knowledge. So our topic for today is 5 VA niche that's really booming right now and how to pick yours. Imagine you walk into a restaurant and ask for the menu and the server says, "Oh, we make anything, whatever you want." How confident do you feel about eating there? Not very. The same things happen when a VA presents themselves as available for anything. Clients don't know what to order. They move on. Today I'm going to help you build your menu, your specialization, so the right clients can find you, recognize your value, and pay you accordingly. The difference between a general VA and a specialist VA is not about how many skills you have. It's about how you are perceived. As a general VA, you are competing with hundreds of applicants for every role, and the clients compare you almost entirely on price. As a specialist, clients actively search for your specific skill set, compare you on expertise, and are willing to pay significantly more for someone who clearly knows their area. Same person, same skills, completely different market position. Let me walk you through the 5 niche with the strongest demand right now. Number 1, Executive Assistant VA. This is one of the highest paying remote roles. You manage schedules, communications, travels, and operations for busy founders and executives. It requires confidence, discretion, and comfort with complexity. But the rates reflect that. Number 2 is E-commerce Operations VA. Shopify, Amazon product listings, order management, customer service for online stores. The e-commerce market is enormous and continues to grow. Stores at every stage of growing needs reliable operational support to keep running. Number 3 is social media management VA. Content planning, caption writing, community engagement, platform scheduling. Every business needs a consistent online presence, and most business owners don't have the time or inclination to manage it themselves. Number 4 is bookkeeping support VA. Invoicing, expense tracking, QuickBooks or Zero, data entry. This is a highly skilled niche, which means the pay is considerably higher and the client retention tends to be strong. If you're naturally precise and detail oriented, this is worth seriously considering. Number 5, the fastest growing niche of 2025 to 2026. AI assisted admin VA. Using artificial intelligence tools to handle admin tasks faster at a higher quality than traditional manual work. Clients increasingly understand the value here and are paying a premium. We will cover this in a depth dedicated episode, so don't forget to subscribe. Let me run you through a quick self assessment. If you love designing systems and solving complex logistical problems, Executive Assistant is your path. If you're drawn to details, numbers, and accuracy, Bookkeeping Support is the one. If you enjoy creating content and have a natural eye for visuals, Social Media VA is where you'll thrive. If you love learning new technology and figure out tools quickly, AI assisted admin is your accelerator. If you follow structured systems precisely and produce consistency, accurate results, and accurate works, e-commerce operations fits you. Pick one. Commit to it for 90 days. Build your skills, create a portfolio piece that demonstrate your niche, and direct all your outreach towards that specific type of client. I promise you, you will attract better clients, charge more, and get hired faster than the VA who says they can do everything. Again, keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe to the VA Institute for a new lesson.